Sometimes I wonder how many of you are like me and they like their eyes glued to the screen on their free time. 50%? Maybe 100%? If that is you, there are so many things that you are going to see in your life, and African real estate is one of them. Here in African real estate, we give you a glimpse of how the African real estate market works and the good, the bad, the merits and the demerits of everything real estate. Let me ask you a question. Do you have any idea where Juja Farm is? What about Wetaidie? Okay, forget all that. Do you know where Juja is? If your answer is still no, or you still think that I'm speaking gibberish, that can only mean one thing, that you have stopped exploring. And exploring is one of the biggest traits of the human life cycle. Come with me. Before you rekindle your exploration journey, African real estate will take you across and beyond the borders of this country to make sure that you are understanding or you'll see all parts of the real estate industry. Today, we are in Juja Mastore, around 400 meters from Mastore Shopping Center. And this is the 3-bedroom, single and suite bungalow with a print area of 135 square meters. This home was constructed by a diaspora client, and one thing that I like about it is the whiteness that comes with everything. I think this is the most white bungalow that we have reviewed in the channel, and as I take you through the unit, you will see how white has been a theme to this bungalow. From there, we can say a few things. First, congratulations to all diaspora clients for investing back into the country. Second, this home has been done very well. I like it that it comes with a perimeter wall and a gauze wire above it. And as you can see some sisal trees on my left hand side, it can only mean that this area is still agricultural and the air is still very fresh. Let's get inside. This listing is in africanrealestate.com, and the unit will come with everything that you see right now. First, let's discuss the greenery. This is a rosemary plant. And I don't know if you can feel the smell from there, but my cameraman can feel it. How does it smell? Very good, right? The home will still come with this swing chair that will make sure that you are relaxing, or you'll calm your nerves when you get stressed up by life. The home comes with a front yard. This is a space that can be used maybe for your flowers, or you can use it for any other purposes. If you feel that these flowers are not enough, you have this section that was created adjacent to the living room just to make sure that you put the portable flowers. The main entrance or the entrance porch of this unit is this one, but this unit can also be accessed from the other door that I'll show you later. On my left hand side, you have another piece of land or another piece of greenery that extends to the rear part of this unit. If you have some Africanism in you, there is one thing that I'm very sure. Most of us hate concrete jungles, and that is one of the reasons why I like this unit. The greenery has been done very well. I think the developer spent most of their time doing the landscaping of this unit. Onto the walling of this unit, the Naivasha Yellowstone and the Machakos normal stone are blending very well to make sure that this unit looks unique and differently done. This is the other door that I talked about, and on my left hand side, you still have some land that is underutilized. Just hold on, is that a tomato? Don't look at me, of course I'm going to eat it. Wow. It's really good. That can only show you one thing, or tell you one thing, that I was born in a family where food was not a basic need. The unit comes with a 5,000 liter water tank, but this is just an addition to another 2,000 liter water tank that we have on the ceiling of this unit. If you purchase this unit, there is no extra expense that you are going to have because even the gutters for water collection have already been installed. Come with me. At the rear side of this unit, you can see that we have the clotheslines area. The laundry area is supposed to be here, but the developer forgot to do it. Let's get inside and start the tour. This is not a new unit. That means it may be 2 or 3 years old, but there is one thing that I like. It's the craftsmanship and the finishing of this unit. The developer was very serious about it, and you can see it in every bit of this house. I don't know if my cameraman can zoom it, but the lines of these tiles are so straight from the dining area all the way to the living room, and if you check, they even go beyond and below this molding. The gypsum ceiling is not complicated. It is done simply, but the developer did not do the many colors that many African developers do. I think that is an African thing because this developer was a diaspora client. That's why we can see a blend of plain colors and a very white bungalow. One thing to note is that this unit comes with 2 windows. You have this one and another one on that other side, and they bring natural light, a lot of it, and they are giving you an indoor-outdoor environment for starters. But one thing that scares me, or it's very crazy, I don't know if it's a notion that people get from outside the country, that the country is insecure, but these grills are crazy. If you'll be the next owner of this unit, a thief would spend a whole day trying to get or to break in to this unit. The living area opens to the dining area on this other side, and as you can see, the dining area would be sufficient for a 4-seater to a 6-seater dining set. The dining area is adopting the same concept that we saw in the living room, and it comes with the traditional wash basin. I know some of you don't understand the purpose of this, but here in Africa, or here in Kenya, we use it to wash our hands just before we sit on the dining table to enjoy our meal, because we don't eat with a fork and knife. The dining area opens to the kitchen, and you have a small mirror just to make sure that you are looking at yourself, to make sure that you are very presentable when you are about to eat. There is a hallway that can be used to access the kitchen or the bedrooms area, but let's first see the kitchen. From there, you can see that the kitchen is adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the other rooms. This door takes you back to the kitchen garden, the laundry area, and the clotheslines area. We already saw that. This is the pantry of this unit, but right now it is being used as a store by the caretaker of this home. This kitchen comes with a very well partitioned cabinetry, and this is where you do your gas cooker. If you do not want to keep your gas cylinder in here, you can keep it outside. On this other side, just before you get out to the kitchen garden, you have an extra space that can be used as a mini laundry area. The kitchen comes with a double sink, and on the opposite side, this is where you'll do your refrigerator. Let's see the other parts of this bungalow. This is the common washroom. It comes with a WC and a wash basin, and all the other fixtures are also present. This is a hallway that takes you to the bedroom area, and on my left hand side you have the primary bedroom. On my right hand side you have the children wing, and you have the 2 bedrooms that share a common washroom. The washroom doubles as the bathroom, and it comes with a shower cubicle, of which you can see it is sufficient for all your kids or maybe your guests. You have a WC and a wash basin. The first bedroom is the smallest. It comes with a closet that is floor to ceiling. I like it that you have an extra storage up there, and the closet has been very well partitioned to make sure that your clothes fit very well. In addition, you have 2 drawers down there, and all the closets in this bedroom adopt a similar concept. On my far front, you have the window to this bedroom. The bedroom also comes with a small mirror here, and I will take you to the second bedroom. There is something very unique about this bedroom. The blend of the Dutch blue color and the whites of all the other spaces make this bedroom look very airy. I like it that it comes with 2 big windows for good natural light, and the closet is here, adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the first bedroom. Let's see the primary bedroom. You are already here. The primary bedroom is the biggest. It comes white as a snow, but it has a blend of brown color from this wall. On the opposite side, it comes connected with cable TV, just to make sure you can enjoy your favorite movie without going to the main living room to fight with the kids. The primary bedroom comes with this section that can be used as an ironing board first, or it can be used as a dresser for your partner to enjoy their makeups. On this other side, you have a mini walk-in closet. It is not the biggest, but it will be sufficient for 2 spouses who do not have a very big appetite of shopping. Just adjacent to the mini walk-in closet, you have the primary bathroom, and it comes with a small vanity, a WC, and a shower cubicle as usual. There is something very interesting about this shower cubicle. It comes with this raised stone to act as a seat for you to sit while you are enjoying your shower. Especially if you are old or you have a back problem, this would be very useful. That's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. As we said earlier, the price to this unit is 8.9 million. So if you would want to purchase it, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. That is all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, never stop watching. And if you'll stop disturbing me, I want to enjoy this swing chair.